If you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel in 2023, then you need to watch this video first. Hi, I'm Lindsay Sewell, and I have been a YouTube content creator since 2019. And in this video, I am going to share with you the harsh reality of starting a YouTube channel in 2023. You see, starting a YouTube channel today is not like it was 10 years ago, 5 years ago, or probably even a year ago. While there is a ton of opportunity for you to grow on YouTube, there are also some things that you need to know and consider before you get started so that you can have the best channel possible, get the most views and subscribers as fast as possible, and not waste your time struggling in some of the ways that I did. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 truths that you absolutely need to know before you start your channel in 2023. So truth number 1 is that it's likely going to take a lot longer than you think to create a successful YouTube channel. Now, there are some exceptions to this. There are people that have big following and influence on other platforms, and as soon as they start their channel, they get a lot of views and subscribers right away, and that helps to push them into the algorithm. There are also people that just have incredible documentary skills, or they are filming in remote and beautiful locations, and those things also tend to get a lot of views very quickly. But for the average, ordinary content creator that just wants to share their message, enroll clients, find customers, and create content for the platform, it's probably going to take a lot longer than you think to get subscribers. So here's my example. This first screenshot is when I really got serious about my YouTube channel in November of 2019. And you can see I have 78 subscribers. So I had started a YouTube channel a few years earlier than that, but I wasn't posting regularly. I wasn't editing my videos. I was simply pulling things over from Facebook Lives, which is not a good strategy. And so I did have a handful of people who had already subscribed to my channel. But over the next year, I got very serious and intentional with my channel, creating the type of content that I wanted to attract my ideal clients and customers, as well as being very consistent and hiring a video editor to improve the quality of my videos. So after a full year, what were the results of all that hard work and posting a video every single week? I had 375 subscribers. So in an entire year of creating content, paying somebody to edit those videos, I gained a whopping 278 subscribers. Yeah, that wasn't gonna let me quit my day job anytime soon. But what I can tell you is that 3 years later, in creating consistent content almost every week, sometimes I miss a week, I'm just human, I have an average of about 100 new subscribers per month, and that is growing at a much more rapid rate. So 6 months ago, I was averaging maybe 50, 60 new subscribers a month, and it is continuing to pick up the pace. So as you stay consistent with your channel and you really hone in on your niche, the type of content you want to talk about, and you get better at your production quality as well as the information that you're sharing, your channel will grow at a faster rate. And if you get one of those banger videos that YouTube puts into the algorithm, you can grow even faster. I've seen people who have had under 1,000 subscribers hit it big with a video that goes completely viral, and their channel grows to over 10,000 subscribers in the matter of a few weeks. So you don't know when you're creating content what is going to get picked up and really take off. And so that consistency over time is very key. Now, if you're not willing to put in that work, then this is a big red flag for you. You probably shouldn't start a YouTube channel in 2023 because it's going to take a lot of work. Now, number 2, harsh truth. The algorithm is tricky. You actually kind of never really know what videos are going to take off. And you can decide to optimize your channel either for search or for browse, or a little of both. And what do I mean about this? Well, search is going to be topics that your ideal clients and customers and the people that you want to see your videos, things that they're going to be searching for. For instance, a lot of people find my videos because I do videos on how to do this, or honest reviews of products that I'm using. And when people are searching for the answers to those questions and solving those problems, they land on my video. The opposite of that would be trying to optimize for browse. This would be people like Mr. Beast, who's trying to grab your attention. I've done a couple of those videos like this one when we gave up alcohol for 30 days. And those are just more interesting and fun videos that I'm testing out to see whether or not they just get picked up into the algorithm for the browse features. And a lot of times you can do very well with those videos if it's a time sensitive or seasonal topic. So for instance, that video on quitting alcohol for 30 days probably will also start to get some play back in January again for next year when people are considering the 30-day dry January. But my suggestion to new creators that are looking to attract customers and clients to them quickly is to optimize for search. For example, this video, how to add a clickable link on Facebook, was just something I put together because I actually had a lot of clients asking me that exact question. And that has been my number one producing video. I've done that video and remade it a couple times based on updates to the Facebook algorithm. And you can see that a lot of that traffic is coming either from YouTube search or from Google search. So because YouTube is a search engine owned by Google, if people are searching for the topic on Google, you can also get a lot of traction. In fact, this video on the Ravenly products that I just reviewed is trending up quite rapidly at the moment because that company is building a ton of momentum and there's a lot of search traffic looking for information about the products and about the company right now on Google. So if you start to think about tailoring your content to things that your ideal audience would be looking for, you can have that much quicker growth a lot faster, even with a small channel. But like I said, the YouTube algorithm is tricky. So I highly suggest you stay within your niche because what will happen is that if people are searching for a topic that you're really an expert in and you have products or services or things that you sell, then as people search, YouTube is more likely to put your video in front of people who have searched for similar topics and watched other people's videos. In fact, I just recently decided to try out the carnivore diet. And because of that, I was doing a lot of research on YouTube, and probably now on my home screen in my browse page is about 90% videos that are relating to the carnivore diet and the carnivore or ketogenic lifestyle. So I'm actually publishing a video on our 30-day experiment with the carnivore diet. And so it'll be interesting to see what that does to my channel. Does it bring in new viewers that aren't interested in my other content around online marketing, growing on social media or YouTube? But I wouldn't recommend doing things like that as a small channel. I would stay in your niche. But since my channel's been around for 4 years, sometimes I like to play around, test things out, and I'll keep you posted on the results. Okay. This one is going to make a lot of people upset, but AdSense is completely overrated. And I was somebody that was chasing the goal of becoming monetized on YouTube. And what does monetization on YouTube mean? Well, first of all, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. And that's a rolling 12 months. Once you hit that, you are invited to join the YouTube Partner Program, and that means that you can get your channel monetized and you can allow ads to go in front of your video. You can earn money from people that pay for YouTube Premium, and you can earn money from YouTube Shorts. So I chased this goal for years, and it didn't happen for me until July of 2022. So a full 3 years into building my YouTube channel. And on day one of being monetized on YouTube, I made a whopping 93 cents. Yeah. So it was a lot of work to earn that 93 cents. And what you make from YouTube AdSense is really based on the number of views that you're getting on your videos, but also the type of content that you are producing. For instance, things in the software and financial markets, the advertisers are paying more to place those ads. And so you're actually going to earn more per view of those ads. So if you want more explanation on how all of that works, I did a video almost a year ago here on how much I was making as a small YouTube channel. That was when I had just about 1,700 subscribers, and I talk about cost per click and rate per ads and all of the metrics. But what I will say is that this is a really unreliable source of income. And even after a full year of being monetized, I have made a whopping $741.08 from this channel from Google AdSense. Now, here's the thing. You can make far more money on YouTube simply by promoting affiliate products, by promoting your own coaching programs, by doing reviews of products that you can earn commissions from, or by teaching and training and inviting people into coaching programs, consulting businesses. I have done that consistently since my channel got started, and I can tell you that the income from all of those sources has been far greater than Google AdSense. So if you're worried that you're not monetized yet, but you do want to start a channel in 2023 and you want to promote your consulting services, your coaching services, you want to enroll for affiliate marketing or network marketing business, there is still a great opportunity for you here on YouTube. Don't get caught up in chasing AdSense only. Okay, harsh truth number 4. You're going to burn out. It's inevitable. If you are creating content consistently over a long period of time, there will come a time during your journey where you simply feel burned out, where you're not excited about creating videos. You feel like you've said every single thing you have to say, teach, or train on, and you sit down and stare at that camera and you just go like this. And you got nothing. And that has happened to me a couple times over the past few years. And the best advice I can give to you during that time is just to take a break. So there are so many teachers, trainers, and YouTube gurus out there that say you have to be consistent, or the algorithm is going to punish you, or you need to publish a new video every single day. And I disagree with all of them. I think that if you are creating good quality content, that you are going to be rewarded by your audience and by YouTube and by the algorithm far more than if you are just being consistent and putting out garbage content because you have nothing to say or you haven't put enough effort into what you're creating. So just know that it's probably going to happen, and allow yourself that time to breathe and refocus and recenter, but don't allow yourself to let that be an excuse for why you disappear for 3 months, 6 months, and don't create any content and then worry why your channel's not growing. So know that this is par for the course, but also understand that you do have to move through it and have a semi-consistent schedule to grow on YouTube. Now, last but not least, I don't necessarily think this is a harsh truth, but this is one of my favorite things about growing a YouTube channel, and something that I think you really need to know if you're considering starting it. It can be a beautiful way to document your journey, and it can be a wonderful way to create evergreen content that people are looking for. I cannot tell you how many times someone has searched for my videos and thanked me because I am solving a problem that they have. And over time, not only has this allowed me to grow my business, grow my email list, my Facebook group, grow my comfort with public speaking and creating content and teaching and training, but it has brought in a great amount of residual income. People find my videos from years ago on products that I'm recommending, and they click through, they purchase, I earn residual income month after month from things that I have shared on YouTube. So while I said don't chase the Google AdSense, I really believe that this is a beautiful place for you to share your message with the world. If you have heard all the harsh truths that I've told you about before and you still want to start a YouTube channel in 2023, then I encourage you to go for it. Watch my other videos for how to build a successful business and YouTube channel online, and I'll see you in the next video.